What's up guys? Welcome to my another video. And this video I going to this about the what as the vibe coding, and it's necessary or not necessary for the beginners, coding learners and intermediate programmers for the any project. Okay, let's get it started. What is the vibe coding? The vibe coding is an AI assisted coding based on your vibes and intuitions rather than understanding. You just rely on to your vibes. Okay, you request to computers for your working any task to complete, like creating simple website without even caring about your coding, just to request prompt to computer on AI. Okay, my friend, Wikipedia also be discussing about the vibe coding. Vibe coding is as a AI assist as a tools, and AI tool is the large language models to assist your coding based on your vibe, to your intuitions as a programmer, okay, as a coder, as a software developer, okay. And so how to do vibe coding worked at right now, and vibe coding worked through tight interplay between the human guidance and AI generations. Humans provide the instructions and descriptions or goals in everyday languages. AI tools translate those into a code. Okay, my friend, this is really more important for you all to know about this vibe coding. Exactly, vibe coding as the more importance to know about this it right now. My friend, if you want to work prompt to prompt based any task performed so fast, it is less time. Okay, less time, but everyone not to doubt about this vibe coding and AI replace your job. AI replace the software engineering job. Not doubt about this vibe code, not about this AI. Okay, about this code, because in this vibe coding, mainly this vibe coding behind of this vibe codings. Okay, the the code have been using or typing this process that known to the machines. Okay, always to know to machines. If you typed prompt to prompt on the vibe coding tools and AI tools, always to know to understands or know the machine about your coding, your typing, that's coding. Okay, can you learn and know about vibe coding? Yes, we need to know about the vibe coding. And but if you are guys beginners and not to think about the vibe codings, if you all the guys so belong from the beginners to learn from the starting, learn coding basic codings to from the right now, not to use the vibe coding AI tools, not use, just focus on your coding, just focus to how to handle the errors. Okay, just you focus to learn the basic codings like HTML, CSS, JavaScript is more needed. AI not required for beginners. Just to focus to learn the codings from the basics to advanced. If you have the intermediate level knowledge about the codings, the programmings, you can use the AI tools and vibe code. Okay, vibe coding especially needed understanding to deep learner like Python programmer, data scientist, and machine learning, etc. You can use this and know about how to work and binomial distributions, Poisson's distributions, etc. If you want to make a specialist, if you want to make as a specialist and make a level of your is and every programming or coding level and coding your capacity, please guys, if you use the vibe coding from the starting, I think you don't sit as a developer yourself till now and right now. Okay, my friends, no doubt about your coding, your programming, and you as a software developer, no doubt about your codings. As a good developer, as a good software developer, always demanded, more demanded of coming your days and current date and till date. It's very demanded as a developer, as a coder, right? Let me explain to my point of view about these vibe codings. I think as a beginners, as a learners, my friends to comment down to me vibe code AI coding AI as coding to replacing the programmer's job, the software engineer job, and people said or dropped comments on my comment box about the AI vibe codings at till now or right now as about programmers futures as a okay web developer and software engineer futures to predict already predict based on the AI tools and bytecode. My point of view, please stop this discussing about these AI tools and bytecode as just needed to create a simple project. So bytecoding not need to okay, not need to do work. Your advice is wrong or true, I don't know, but always say to me, vibe coding is best for the programmers as a developers to make out to solve the each and every errors that last time it's totally wrong. My friend, this kind of comment, this kind of your doubts, I don't care about this. Vibe code AI tool is the like a as a supporter, as a assistant to make it easier your coding, your posing. So I don't care about that, my dear people. If you are guys as a beginner focus to learn the basic codings to facing and executing is and every kind of errors and running the programs. At the end, my dear people, by coding being needed when your coding skills to make and intermediate levels to your coding skills to you have take benefits from the AI tools and by codings though.